Hey, what's up everyone, this is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Under the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 271 pounds of torque. Comes standard with 17-inch alloy wheels. Black MB text interior. Panoramic sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Some fresh, clean floor mats. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. We've got a linden wood trim interior. We've got a memory seats. It does come with the Premium 1 package with heated seats, keyless go, Sirius XM radio. We've got our steering wheel controls, our paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. Got a backup camera, dual climate controls, command center. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mercedes, check out feldmanimports.com.